guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about some of my essentials, must-haves at the gym. I've been gymming for around 3 years pretty consistently now, and I want to show you guys what I've been loving so far and what I think you guys should have as part of your collection when you go to the gym. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you check out my Instagram and my social media. Since you guys are already here, make sure you are subscribed down below. It'll mean the world to me. Without further ado, let's just get on with the video. First things first, when it comes to any workout or any fitness thing related, I really have to emphasize that I'm pretty sure everyone listens to music. I feel like music really helps me get motivated to work out. Gets me in the zone when the first time going to the gym. It may be quite intimidating, but having your earphones in your ears, having playing your favorite music can really make you at ease and get you hyped up and work out. My teeth. I think what you guys should get, if you guys haven't gotten already, wireless earphones. So this is the first pair of wireless earphones that I've had when I first started to go to the gym. I don't know what brand they are, but I can probably link it down below in the description box. And by the way, I'll link everything that I can find down below in the description box because I find it super easier if you're trying to get into the gym. Check out all my favorites. I don't know what brand these are, but I got them as a gift. And this is when I first started trying to go to the gym, and it kind of blends in. And it's kind of cool, it works. It had pretty good music range. And then for last Christmas, I got Airpods, and I love Airpods so much. They're so small and so dainty. It's great. I love them so much. I swear by these. They're so small and they're so easy to connect to your phone. It looks like you're not even wearing earphones. Honestly, I love them so much, and I love how discreet they are. I'm actually quite surprised how the sound quality is. When I first put them on, I was like, oh, I heard the bass. Okay. So I love getting hyped and listening to my AirPods. Don't get the one with the cord that connects to your phone. I've been on that for so long. In the beginning of my fitness journey, I had like the earphones that connect to my phone, but running on the treadmill, a mess. I do not recommend it because your phone will literally drop to the ground. And when you're at the gym, you're just trying to get things done. You know, you don't want anything to distract you. Wireless earphones are my major must-haves. So the next thing I want to talk about is a blender bottle. And I think you guys should really get a blender bottle if you haven't already, or any other brand basically that has a metal shaker inside right here. I believe this is like a special colorway. I believe it's like for every single month there's like a different colorway, so I got this one because I love coral and blue together. It looks super cute and it looks pretty distinguishable because at the gym everybody has blender bottles, so just getting things that's kind of unique to you so people won't mix it up or take yours by mistake. So I have this. I usually start off with my pre-workout and then I add my BCAAs in it afterwards. So I drink my pre-workout, rinse it, or sometimes I get lazy, I don't rinse it, and put BCAAs in it and then drink it throughout my workout because I suck at drinking water, to be honest. I'm so dehydrated. I know I should drink a lot of water. Water is really good for you and you should drink a lot of water, but I have a problem. I can't drink too much water, so adding BCAAs to my water in this blender bottle and drinking throughout my workout really helps me stay hydrated. If you guys don't know what BCAAs are, it's essentially Gatorade or like an energy drink that helps you stay hydrated. It helps you recover your muscles as you're working out. And after workouts, I usually take a protein shake. Trying to get protein into your daily diet is kind of hard, especially if you're cutting out meat and stuff, so I try to keep up and try to increase my protein intake, so I have protein shakes in here. When it comes to the gym, you have to find a pair of shoes that it's comfortable and makes you feel good. With my swimming background, I don't really have gym shoes. I just wear flip-flops, honestly my rainbows, to practice. Leg days, I have a separate pair of shoes for leg days, but on any other day, upper body, HIIT, cardio, abs, any other day, I've been loving the Nike Vapormaxes. These are my favorite pair of shoes. I swear by these. For a person like me who hates running. I hate running. Running makes me so tired. When I wore Vapormaxes, I love running. Who is she? Who am I? And when I wear these shoes, I love running. That's how much I love these shoes. I love how the air pockets at the bottom. It's like a little, not like a trampoline, but it gives you that balance for every step you take. I would run as cardio as my HIIT workout. For these particular pair, I have like little floral stuff in the inside. And yeah, I got this as a gift from Jake and I love it so much. Once you break into the Vapormaxes. It feels so amazing. Your life will be changed. I love these pair of shoes. So speaking of shoes, I want to talk about the leg day shoes I wear. So I usually wear Converse, and you may see people at the squatting racks wearing Converse or Vans. So I have the Converse. I just have an obsession with white shoes. So basically 99% of my shoe collection is white shoes. So yeah, I have a white pair of Converse that I wear to every leg day. Basically the reason why you need like a flat sole base so your feet don't move and be unsteady. So whereas if you lift with these, they have little air pockets and your feet can move as you lift up the weight and could be quite unsafe and you could fall and hurt yourself or injure yourself. So since we're talking on leg day, most of my essentials involve leg day equipment. These are the things I decided to invest in because it really helped me in my workouts. First equipment that I actually bought in my fitness journey was a resistant bands. It worked out pretty good. I used to use this red one a lot. Basically, I was on these for quite a while, like the first year or so. It was really annoying how they were rolling up on my leggings every time I did a kickback or did anything. I kind of put these away. You know, they're out of my life now. I don't use them anymore. I found a new resistant bands that I've been loving so far, and these are the Gracefituk UK bands. I have 4 of them, and that's how much I love them. But she rebranded to Band, and I love it so much. So it does not slide at all. Honestly, this is so me. I just love the prints that she has. Burns my butt so much. It literally burns just doing 1 rep of these. So good. These are the resistance bands I've been loving so far, and I highly suggest that you should get something that's super thick and not rubbery. So next things that I use all the time, or especially on leg days, is lifting gloves. I don't know what they're called, but these are the Nike ones, and it's pink. I should wear it when I use dumbbells, but I get lazy, and honestly the calluses on my fingers are not that bad. I invested in these pretty early in my fitness journey, and I really like them. And speaking of squatting and barbells, I highly recommend getting a barbell pad. Decided to go with black because I think it's more sleek, more chic, and it matches with any outfit, to be honest. So this is why I got the black one. I highly recommend getting this if you're trying to get a hip thrust, or if you get into squatting and if the barbell hurts your back. I highly recommend getting this. You guys remember Lily? She's also in my Tahoe vlog. She's one of my best friends, and she got me a lifting belt for your backs when you do like squats or carrying super heavy weight when you do deadlifts. This really helps protect your back because when you're lifting, it's so easy to get injured. So she got me this, and I love how it's pink. It actually matches my gloves. I literally just invested in these like last week, and I'm surprised I haven't already, but these are the barbell clips. So hold the weights at the side when you do squats or hip thrusts so they won't move. The more weights I can tolerate, the more times like plates move as I do hip thrusts. It's just getting kind of messy. It works really well. It's really good. It's like less than $10, so it's great. I have the world's smallest hands, I think. Not even joking, like the width of my wrist is not even 2 inches. My hands are like as small as a 5-year-old's. I've measured my nieces and nephews. It's that small. I'm using more of my hand strength than my legs at some point. So that's when I really got into these wrist straps, and they are such a lifesaver. You wrap it around your wrist. I got these from Gymshark. They were having a sale, and I was like, I just have to get it. I've been getting into deadlifting recently, and I was feeling so self-conscious about it because I wasn't able to hold the barbell myself because my hands are so small and my grip strength is so weak. I can't even hold it because my legs can handle the weight, but it's just my arms and my hands can't even hold it. That's just the issue. So you wrap it around your wrist like here, you wrap around the barbell and you lift it, and this kind of eases the pressure off your wrist, so you can just simply hold to the barbell while your legs do all the work. And so helpful, and I love these so much. I highly recommend it if you're trying to get into deadlifting or you have really poor grip strength like me. Hey! Yeah, I highly recommend getting these. I forgot to mention that when I got the Gracefituk bands, I got her ankle straps. I love coral. Coral is my favorite color. And I wanted to get black originally because it will match with most of my outfits, but I'm glad I got coral because it's more distinguishable and people can't be like, oh, that's mine. I'm like, no. This is limited edition because she rebranded to Band, so this is the OG Gracefituk UK ankle straps. So I use it for kickback and I add it to my leg workouts. I really want to invest in things that I love, that are cute to me, gets me excited to work out and just get those gains. As to things that in my gym bag, so I have 2 gym bags because I'm that extra. Just kidding. Basically, all the things I've been showing you, I put in this gym bag. Yeah, I'm not Filipino, but I'm carrying around a Filipino Heritage Night Warriors bag. And also what's in my gym bag, if you guys are curious, I have like a baggie full of like my tampons, pads, liners, because you never know when Mother Nature's gonna come. But this was literally what I bring on days when I don't do leg day, so I would say 90% of the time. I usually carry a small Lululemon bag, and I like black because it's very subtle. Good thing my gym has like the automatic Perel hand sanitizers that you put your hand underneath and it squirts out like the foam. I use that every time I leave, but I also have emergency ones just in case I forget or if they run out. And in this everyday bag, I always bring this rubber resistant band, like those running in place workouts. I can't even think what it's called. This is like literally what I usually bring every day to the gym. I hope you guys really found this video helpful. I love watching videos like this, especially because when I first started out, I binged on gym's must-haves and the essential things to bring to the gym. So I hope that this really helps you, gives you some insight of what to get for the gym and what to invest in. Most of the gyms usually have it, but depends on which gym you go to. I'm lucky for my gym, it has most of these things, but it doesn't have the resistant bands or even the other things. These are just the things enhanced by workouts, and I know that resistant bands can also not only be used for legs but also for your arms. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you found it helpful at all, and make sure you are subscribed down below if you haven't already. It'll mean so much to me, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you next time. Bye! Chester! Chester says hi. Say hi to the family.
This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best on reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella